In this video, we'll show you how to add page numbers to a PDF. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Here's the PDF I want to work with. As you can see, it doesn't have any page numbers, but I want to add them. To start, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, go ahead and sign up or sign in at the top right. Once you're signed in, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and select Drive. Next, go to the top left of Google Drive and click the New button. Then choose File Upload. Locate the PDF file you want to add page numbers to, select it, and click Open. Once it's uploaded, click on the file to open a preview. From here, click the Open With drop-down at the top and select Google Docs. This will convert the PDF into a Google Docs document, allowing you to edit it. Now, to add page numbers, click on the Insert menu at the top left, then hover over Page Numbers. You can choose where you'd like the page numbers to appear. I'll select the option for the top right corner. As you can see, the page numbers are now added. If you want, you can even click on them to adjust their size. Once you're happy with how it looks, go to the top left, click on File, then hover over Download and select PDF document. And that's it! Your PDF now has page numbers.